Y'all, the garage is a disaster, but that's going to be a project for another day. Today we need to clean out the gutters. A quick way that I found that you need to get your gutters cleaned out is when you have a torrential downpour like we've had over the last, week now, and you look out your window and all of the water is pouring over the top of your gutters. So, time to clean it up. Yeah, well, that is not going to work. We're going to have to get the extension ladder out. I could have swore the last time that I did this that I used that ladder. So either my ladder shrunk or the house grew. So let's get the extension ladder.
We can't go outside.
So up here on the ladder, and I found our problem. Let's take a look. Yeah, all clogged up. As you can see, we have some pine trees. We have some pine trees there that looked to have clogged it all up. So let's go ahead and get it cleaned out. That did the trick. Shouldn't have any problems now. We'll let it all drain out, and next rainstorm we should be in good shape. Change my mind. I think what we're going to do is go ahead and give it a good blast down the whole length and see if we can get it good and clean. Let's see what happens. I think that did the job. So we're going to go ahead and climb down. Call this a completed project. I'll share with you guys real quick here that nozzle that I was using. I picked this thing up the other day at Rural King. you guys don't have a Rural King or a Tractor Supply in your area, you are missing out. You can, whoa, man. Crap on the glasses there. Let me clean you guys too. If you don't have a Tractor Supply or a Rural King in your area, you're missing out. Got this guy. You can make it a jet, or you can make it a real soft spray. Got a real off and on switch here that works really good. Fantastic. I think it was like $5. Perfect for the job. So I'll clean up my disaster here, and we'll call this one done. So appreciate you guys spending some time with me today out here in the yard, just doing some projects on a Sunday. So we'll catch you guys later. Thanks.